Hi everyone, welcome to SSC, Sikkim Static and Current, your one place for everything about Sikkim. And in this video, we will be exploring the basics of essay writing. Essay is a written composition giving expression to one's own personal ideas or opinions on some topic. So essay is a form of writing where you can give your own thoughts, your own perspective on a given topic. It is a piece of writing on a topic that expresses the point of view of the writer, or it is a way of communicating your ideas. So compared to report writing or precis writing, where we were bound to be objective and neutral, in essay writing, we have the opportunity to be subjective and express our own viewpoint on any subject under consideration. So it is a great medium of self-expression. So here are some general instructions on essay writing. To have a clear and accurate idea of the subject is very important. Now this is very obvious, and the way to have a good idea of the subject is to read a lot on the topic at hand and also to read and write as much as one can, so that the mind becomes a storehouse of important information and ideas, and without such preparation it will be very difficult to write a good essay. Define the subject very accurately. Now, whatever subject that we are writing about, it is very important to define it accurately. For example, if you are writing on global warming, so it is very important to define what global warming is accurately. Do not include irrelevant information. Now, compared to precis or report, essay is a kind of an effort demanding one, and the word limit is also kind of on the higher side. So sometimes in order to meet up the word limit, people do include irrelevant information. So do not do that. Even if the essay is kind of a short, it is fine, but in order to meet up to the word limit, if one puts irrelevant information, that's a very bad move. Spend some time on thinking and arranging the information and then write. You can jot down the points down on a paper as they occur. So sometimes when we are in a state of writing, that time ideas, thoughts, etc., they naturally flow into our mind. Jot down the ideas, etc., on a paper with the help of a pencil, and later on we can arrange those information in a proper paragraphs and then write it. Reading newspaper and essay sample is a necessity. So not just newspaper and essay sample, but reading magazines, books, etc. will fill our minds with important information, as I said, and whenever we are into writing, all this information will be at our disposal and help us to write better. Better if one can illustrate one's ideas with facts, figures and examples in short. So whatever ideas that we are discussing about, it is a very good idea to illustrate such ideas with the help of facts, figures, tables, pie charts, or sometimes bar graphs, etc., or examples. Logical arrangement of ideas, thoughts along with proper flow. So whenever we are writing, paragraphs should be arranged logically. It should not be like the first paragraph is talking about something, second paragraph talks about something totally different. So that should not be there. There must be a proper logical flow between the paragraphs. Write it in paragraph wise. Because in paragraphs we can discuss the different aspects of the subject one by one. For example, a particular subject could have different aspects to it, so we can dedicate a particular paragraph for that aspect and discuss it in that way. Here is the format for essay writing. The title, try to keep it brief, and you can ask questions that are capable of building suspense. Just an example, you can ask questions like, is red panda on the verge of extinction? So something like that, or simple sentences that are capable of building suspense. Try to keep it short and simple. After that comes the introduction. It is the first paragraph of the essay. Try to define the topic accurately. Try to be brief and to the point. And you can also begin your introduction with a quote or a proverb, as the case may be. After that comes the body of the essay. It is the heart of the essay, and here all the important information, all the arguments, the details of the topic, the different aspects of the topic, the pros, cons, the positive, negative aspects of the topic, etc. Everything is discussed here, and this is the overall essay itself. Then comes the last part, that is the conclusion. It sums up the story or an argument about the essay. Try to clarify your stand on the topic, whether you are on the positive side or on the left side, or you stand neutral. So try to state it clearly. And an effective and satisfying end to an essay is important. Do not conclude abruptly. Don't conclude suddenly. Sometimes people get bored and they conclude suddenly. Do not do that. Give a proper conclusion. So here is an essay example on the topic discipline in public life. You can have a look at it. So here is the concluding slide on essay writing. Sticking to the issue under consideration is important, so never ever deviate from the topic. Each paragraph should be linked to the one being written after it. So as we discussed about maintaining a proper logical flow in our essays, word limit should be respected always. So try to write somewhere around the prescribed word limit. Check for grammatical errors and punctuations. Sentences should be short in order to make less mistakes. Develop a habit of reading a newspaper columns, current affairs magazines, or books, etc., and do practice previous year question papers, as I often repeat that there is no substitute for sincere practice. And this particular presentation is designed to give you some basic ideas and instructions to get you started on essay writing. So, all the best. So that's all in this video on essay writing. Do subscribe and stay tuned to SSC Sikkim. Thank you so much.